The first step is the pulse. Just go to the website and find the BMP of each music, and you will find the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. The metronome is the math 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ta 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 ta. But for Latin music, just count to the 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and create the BMP, means pulse. This is not the rhythm, this is just the pulse, which will give you the yin-yang pulse, downbeat and upbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you can be able to create the energy. And after that, if you understand the pulse, the downbeat and upbeat, you can play with the rhythm. And listen the music and follow with me.
Le entrego mi corazón cuando ella me da paella.
Pum pa pa pum pa pa pum pa pa pum pum pa pa pum pa pa pum. 1, 3, 5, 7.
Con mucho camarón y langosta mi paella. Ella le gusta que le den paella. Cuando hay mi bronca, pues yo me como mi paella. Y yo Torres me la preparo.
The second is fill every upbeat, means 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the math 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For Latin music, it's better to count to the 8 because first and second bar is so important, because the link create the energy, means the clave create the special salsa energy. But important is at the beginning clap on beat. If you will clap 1, 3, 5, 7, this is offbeat. If you will clap to the Latin music 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, it is the upbeat. And create with me downbeat, yin, yang. 2, 4, 6, 8. And listen the music and follow with me. First, find the downbeat pulse. Now, and this is so important to clap and practice with this, and then after that you will be able to set the steps in this pattern. Next tips: when you will catch every 2, 4, 6, 8, just focus on the 4 and 8. Where is the bass? Always is bass on the 4 and 8. And just emphasize this 4 and 8. This is so important in your journey. First, find the pulse. Pulse, 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 2. Emphasize. 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, bass, 6, bass. Okay, let's start to the music. Boom, boom, and 8, 4. Pulse, and now. 8, boom, boom, boom. Okay. And next tips is the rhythm. Just follow with the bass and 4 and 8. End is after 2 and end is after 6. And 4 and 8 and 4 and 8 and 4 and 8.
Le entrego mi corazón por brindar a hacerme una sabrosa paella.
And what is important, just at the on the end after the 6, after the 2, just feel like the catch the fly. Means you will add the energy. Catch the fly. Catch the fly 4. Catch the fly 8. One more. Catch the fly and put a lot of energy, because if you will put the energy to your body, you will be able to find the sabor in salsa. Okay? Listen to the music and catch the fly.
Cuando ella me da paella, yo me pongo sabrosón si me como su paella. Con mucho camarón y langosta mi paella. Ella le gusta que le den paella. Cuando allí mi bronca, pues yo me como mi paella. Y yo Torres me la prepara como ella.
Next tips is after the 4 and 8 is always the oil, the 1, the 5, and absorb the 5. If you will catch the bass on and 4 and 8, just first 1 and 4, 5, and 8, 1, and 4, 5, and 8, 1. It's important that try to remember, try to create the muscle memory, because during the dance just the feel the pulse, but they use the choreography, the steps, but inside feel always the pulse. Do not exaggerate this movement, just feel, relax your legs, do not straight, do not bend, just have relaxed knee. This is important. Remember, the numbers, they are the math, but the feeling will give you the upper body and this pulse. If you will practice with this, you will understand more. The next tip is just catch and set the steps to the bass and to the numbers, and just we will start with the bass, with the rhythm, with the energy of bass, because it's so easy to find, and 4 and 8. Think about the bass 4, think about the bass 8, and now and 4 and 8 and 4 and 8. Just do not just follow and feel the bass. Do not focus on the numbers 2, 3. Just focus on the 4 and 8. Tarim pam and 4 and 8 and 4 and 8. You can also think that this is the end 4 and 8, but just feel it and try to dance. And 8 and 4 and 8.
Le entrego mi corazón cuando ella me da paella. Yo me pongo sabrosón si me como
Now
su
clap.
paella. Con mucho camarón y langosta mi paella.
Catch the fly.
Ella le gusta que le den paella. Cuando allí mi bronca fue yo me como mi paella. Y yo Torres me la prepara como ella.
Next tip, just when you will dance to the bass, just create the pulse. And this is the key for understand more. How I can do that? Look, and 4, and now a bit bend a knee to understand more, to create more energy. And 4, 5, and 8, 1, and 4, 5, and 8. If 8 is upbeat, I want to move up. Then I want go down when I feel the downbeat 1 and 5. And up and down, and up and down. Tiri-a, tiri-a. And I can absorb more energy to create the power. Why? This style called power on 2. Tira-a, down, tira-ta, down, para-i-a, tira-a-i.
Le entrego mi corazón cuando ella me da paella. Yo me pongo sabrosón si me como su paella. Aprobando una paella. Con mucho camarón y langosta mi paella. Aprobando una paella. Ella le gusta que le den paella. Aprobando una paella. Cuando allí mi bronca fue yo me como mi paella. Aprobando una paella. Y yo Torres me la prepara como ella. Aprobando una paella. Con mucha cebollita y sidro.
Just create small steps, natural steps, and close and back and close, because this is natural. Do not create big steps, because it's I call traveling steps, and it is next next level to understand how I can move and save balance. Why? The save simply small step at the beginning. I use a lot of small steps because it will give me much more flavor, much more dynamic. Next tips is to catch the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. And the best way is understand how works the conga. Simply conga works like this: 2, 3, kukum, 6, 7, kukum, 2, 3, kukum, 6, 7, kukum, 2, 3, kukum, 6, 7, kukum. Why I want to dance to them numbers? Because you can be able switch from rhythm and to the numbers, because when you will dance with the partner, you can create the compromise, because the partner can dance only 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And if you will know that, okay, I'm gentle now and I will set my steps on beat. Now the clave steps is so important, because almost every breaks in salsa, they are set in the on the clave steps 5 and 8, and I use often these steps, simply steps. How I can do that? First, find the steps called son. 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Now create the pulse. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the clave. 2, 3, and now 5. Up, up, down. Tari-a-a. Up, up. And just set the steps with me.
Es que yo discusión. Le entrego mi corazón, mora linda, la una sabrosa paella. Aprobando una paella. Aprobando una paella. Le entrego mi corazón.
And where is the tips also? Just add the link between two bars. Tari and this is the bass. 5 and 8. Now create the line step. 2, 3 and 5 and 8 and create the pulse. Tari ra 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 and set the steps to the music.
Me da paella. Yo me pongo sabroso si me como su paella.
2, 3, a, I, a.
Con mucho camarón y langosta mi paella. Aprobando una paella. Ella le gusta que le den paella. Aprobando una paella. Cuando allí mi bronca fe yo me como mi paella. Aprobando una paella. Y yo Torres me la prepara como ella. Aprobando una paella.
Tari, a, I, a. You can be able to combine three rhythms, the clave, the conga and the bass. How I can do that? Look, just create the steps. 2, 3, this is the clave, also the conga. 2, 3, bass, and now absorb energy on the 5. How I can do that? Just I transfer my body, I push, compress, I will compress my upper body down, and now I want to make the simply small steps on 6, but I don't mark the 6, I mark and 8. 6 and 8. 2, 3 and 5 and 8. And 8 is the bass, and 8 it is the clave. 2, 3 and a, I, a. And this is the power. Tari ra ra, I, a. 2, 3 and a, I, a. Tari a, I, a. Set this. We will set this to the music.
Yo me pongo sabroso si me como su
5 and 8.
Aprobando una paella. Con mucho camarón y langosta mi paella. Aprobando una paella. Ella le gusta que le den paella. Aprobando una paella. Cuando allí mi bronca fe yo me como mi paella. Aprobando una paella. Y yo Torres me la prepara como ella. Aprobando una paella. Con mucha cebollita y sidro.
The important tips is, remember, the legs and clapping, this is the math, but the, if you will emphasize from your upper body, from your knee, the up and down. Tari is completely different, like 2, 3. Tari, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5 and 8. Tari, and I use my body movement. Yeah, remember, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, and 8. But 2, 3, complete. You will be complete with the wave of the clave, wave of the energy of salsa.